At 6, a legal battle now playing out over COVID-19 vaccine mandates.
A former Nationwide Children's Hospital employee says she was fired after she refused to get the shot due to religious beliefs. Well, now she's filed a lawsuit.
10 TV's Brian Somerville breaks down what's in the court documents.
At the heart of the lawsuit against Nationwide Children's, Tina Moore, who gave me her picture and on the phone identified herself as a 27-year employee of the hospital and a devout Christian. The lawsuit filed earlier this week says in August of 2021, NCH implemented a requirement that employees receive the COVID-19 vaccine or request religious or medical exemption. Moore says that vaccination did not align with her religious beliefs. In February of 22, the lawsuit says Moore submitted an exemption request via email that was denied by the hospital because she did not fill out the proper religious exemption request form. After filling out the form needed, the suit says Moore was notified by HR that she had failed to provide sufficient information. She was placed on unpaid leave, was told to be vaccinated by March 15th, or her position would be posted and filled. The suit says Moore tried to seek clarification from HR, trying to determine what specific information she needed, but that HR would never respond. On March 11th, Moore was told in an email to leave the property. A week later, she received a letter saying her employment had been terminated as of April 15th. The lawsuit says other co-workers submitted for religious exemptions and were approved, and because Moore's wasn't, she was discriminated against. 10 TV asked Nationwide Children's how many workers applied for and were granted exemptions from the COVID vaccine. It did not respond. However, the suit says in late 2021, NCH approved multiple religious exemptions that had previously been denied because 93% of our staff are now vaccinated. The lawsuit says Moore's rights were violated, as stated in Ohio Revised Code that, among other things, prohibit employers from discharging an employee due to religion, and prohibit employers from eliciting or attempting to elicit any information concerning their religion as a condition of employment. The lawsuit says Moore is seeking a jury trial, as well as being compensated for lost wages, lost income, physical pain, emotional distress, and humiliation. Brian Somerville, 10 TV News.
When asked about the suit, Nationwide Children's Hospital said it cannot comment on any litigation. Calls to Moore's attorney for comment were not returned.